Good morning, my students. How are you today? Are you fine? That's good. Okay, girls. Are you ready to start my own lesson for today, girls? Bravo. Okay, girls, let's start my own lesson for today. But before starting, I should ask you about the day and the date. Who can tell me, girls? What's the day today? Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Let's spell the word Wednesday together. Wednesday. Again, Wednesday. And the date is 27 to 1442 after Hijrah. The date is 27 to 1442 after Hijrah. Okay, girls? Now, I want you to open your notebook. Girls, please open your notebook. Write the day with the date. Then copy the sentence in your notebook in the handwriting section, girls. Copy, I should obey my parents. I should obey my parents, please. Copy the sentence in your notebook. Okay? Now, let's take a quick revision before starting my own lesson for today, girls. Okay? Now, we will play together Palon's game. But now I have 5 questions only. Now, let me see the question behind number 1. Are you ready, girls? Okay, let's see. Number 1. Give me 3 singular words. Give me 3 singular words. Pen, pencil, book. Okay, now my answer is correct, so I will throw one Palon. Let's see question number 2. Make a sentence using brother. Make a sentence using brother. My brother's name is Abdulaziz. Now, my answer is correct, so I will throw one Palon. Number 3. How many colors are there in a rainbow? There are 7 colors in a rainbow. Now I will throw another balloon. Number 4. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is pink. Now my answer is correct, so I will throw one balloon. Number 5. Make 3 imperative sentences. Open the door. Do your homework. Help your mother. Okay, girls? Now, this is the end of my revision today. Now I threw all the Palons. Now, Unit 3, Lesson 3, it's about my family, as you know. Page number 24 and 25. Page number 24 and 25. Please, girls, I want you to open your books now. Write the day with the date, then close your box on page 24 and 25. Okay? Now, let me start my own lesson for today by asking you this question, girls. How many persons do you have in your family? How many persons do you have in your family? You should give me a complete sentence, girls. I have 5 persons in my family, for example. Again, how many persons do you have in your family? I have 5 persons in my family. I have 6 persons in my family. I have 7 persons in my family. So, you should give me a complete sentence. Please, girls, okay? Now, let's start the new words of my own lesson today. I think you know all the words of my own lesson today. Let's start the first word of my own lesson today and play together picture reveal together. Picture reveal game. Now I will try to remove these numbers to discover the word behind these numbers, okay? Now let me press number 4. Now, can you guess what's the word now? I think I know the word, but I will try to remove number 2. Now, what's the word, girls? Can you tell me what's the word? Yes, the word is grandpa. The word is grandpa or grandpa. grandfather. You can say grandpa or grandfather, girls. Okay? You can say grandpa or a grandfather. He is a grandpa or he is a grandfather. So, a grandpa or a grandfather is an old man. He is an old man, girls. Now, can you choose the correct spelling in writing the word grandpa, girls? Let's see number 1. Grandpa or grandpa. Number 3, grandba. What's the correct answer? Number 1, 2 or 3, girls? Or what's the correct spelling, girls? 1, 2 or 3? Of course, the correct spelling is number 1. So, number 1 is the correct spelling. Grandpa, grandpa. Okay? Now, let's see the second word of my own lesson today. Now, I will try to remove some numbers. Let me remove number 1. Can you guess what's the word? Yeah. She is a grandma. She is a grandma or she is a grandmother. She is a grandma or she is a grandmother. Okay? Now, I will try to write the word grandma using these letters. Okay, girls? I have all the English letters now. I will try to write the word grandma. Okay? Let's start. Grandma. G R A N D M and A. So, grandma. Grandma. Okay, girls? The first word in my own lesson today is grandpa or grandfather. Number 2, grandma or grandmother. Okay, if I ask you, girls, what is your grandfather's name or what is your grandpa's name? You should say, my grandfather's name is Awadallah, for example, or my grandpa's name is Awadallah. Okay? Now, who is he, girls? Who is he? Can you tell me who is he? Let's see the choices. Number 1, he is King Abdul Aziz. 2, he is King Faisal. 3, he is King Fahd. Can you guess who is he, girls? He is King Abdul Aziz. Bravo, he is King Abdul Aziz. Bravo, girls. Now, King Abdul Aziz is the grandpa of King Fahd, Mohammed bin Salman, or King Salman. King Abdul Aziz is the grandpa of King Fahd? No. He is the grandpa of Mohammed bin Salman or King Salman, girls? He is the grandpa of Mohammed bin Salman. King Abdul Aziz is the father of King Fahd and he is also the father of King Salman. Okay? Now, قال تعالى وقضى ربك ألا تعبدوا إلا إياه وبالوالدين إحسانا. What did you understand from this ayah, girls? We understood that we have to obey our God and obey my parents, doing everything they want from us, right or not? Bravo, girls. Now, let's see. What is he? What is he, girls? First of all, what can you see? I can see a man and a girl, right? So, what is he? Is he a brother? Is he a grandpa? Or is he a father or a dad? He is a father or he is a dad. So, the correct answer is number 3. He is a father or he is a dad. So, who can spell the word father for me? Or let me spell the word father. 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 Bravo, girls. Now, what is your father's name? What is your father's name, girls? My father's name is Hamoud. Make a sentence using father. Make a sentence using father, girls. My father's job is a policeman. My father's job is a policeman. So, what is your father's name? My father's name is Hamoud. Make a sentence using father. My father's job is a policeman. Okay, girls? Now, let's see the second picture here. or the second slide, here we have a woman and a child, right? So, what is she? Is she a grandma? Is she a teacher? Or is she a mother or a mom? She is a mother or she is a mom. So, let's spell the word mother together. M-O-T-H-E-R. M-O-T-H-E-R. What is she? She is a mother or she is a mom. Okay, girls? Now, what can you see in this picture, girls? I can see two girls. Now, if I ask you, how many sisters do you have, girls? How many sisters do you have? You can say, I have. You should start your giving me a complete sentence, girls. How many sisters do you have? I have 3 sisters. I have 3 sisters. I have 4 sisters. Now, how many brothers do you have? I have 2 brothers. I have 2 brothers. Okay, girls? My own lesson today is very easy, girls. So I want you to try writing the word grandpa, grandma, brother, sister, father, and mother. Okay, girls? Now I want you to open your books, please, girls. Open your books, please. And listen, page number 24 and 25. And listen.
Words. Exercise 1. Listen, point, and say. 1. Grandpa.
Grandpa. Grandpa.
2. Grandma.
Grandma. Grandma.
3. Dad.
Dad. Dad.
4. Mom.
Mom. Mom.
5. Brother.
Brother. Brother.
6. Brother.
Brother. Brother.
7. Sister.
Sister. Sister.
So, 1. Grandpa. 2. Grandma. 3. Dad. 4. Mom. 5. Brother. 6. Brother. 7. Sister. Okay, here we have 2 brothers and 1 sisters. Right? Now, here I want you to draw a picture of your family, girls. This is a homework. I want you to draw a picture of your family. Then write who are they, okay? Write their names, okay, girls? Now, here we have fun time. 5-finger game. Put down your fingers one by one. Don't move them, okay? Please, girls, prepare yourself. Now, I want you to listen, please. Listen.
Fun time. Exercise 3. 5-finger game. Put down your fingers one by one. Don't move them. Are you ready? Let's start. Brother, dad, grandpa, sister, grandma. Let's do it again. Are you ready? Let's start. Dad, grandma, brother, mom, sister. Okay.
Good, girls. We will do this exercise together again in my life. Now you have a homework, page number 83. I want you to trace and write letter U. Then draw your family and say who they are. I want you to also here to draw a picture of your family. Then trace and write letter V. Okay, girls? This is the end of my own lesson today. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you next time. Goodbye, girls.